Hello friends, today's video regarding Oukitel WP35 5G smartphone. The Oukitel WP35 5G smartphone. Outdoor marathon is durable, affordable, and has a long battery life. The Oukitel WP35 has an enormous battery that provides endless endurance, but at the expense of weight and larger dimensions. However, for less than $300, you get a lot for your money, including a night vision camera, respectable storage specifications, and pure Android 14. Oukitel, a Chinese company, is well known for producing shockproof and water-resistant cell phones that can be used in harsh environments. Because of its large battery, this phone can operate for an extended period of time. You will, however, have to deal with a 577-gram weight during the process. The Oukitel WP35 has 11,000 mAh battery, but it is much lighter and more portable. The case thickness of 360 grams and 15.3 millimeters makes it heavier than the average smartphone, but it's much easier to carry around on a daily basis than the WP33 Pro. The sturdy case does not scream outdoor phone at first glance. Nonetheless, it has a stylish design with a diamond pattern back and lighter colors such as blue, green, and brown. Although only the relatively slow eMMC flash is used, a 256 GB mass storage capacity is adequate. Additionally, we have 8 GB of RAM. The manufacturer only uses a sluggish swap file in data storage to achieve the advertised 24 GB of RAM. The phone supports NFC, allowing you to make wireless payments, for example. The USB connector only supports the USB 2.0 standard internally, resulting in slow data transfer rates. Furthermore, image signals cannot be transmitted to an external monitor. The 5G phone can accommodate 2 nano SIM inserts, or 1 nano and 1 eSIM. If you choose the latter, the device can only be expanded with 1 micro SD card. The Oukitel WP35 will have a Dimensity 60-100 Plus SoC, Android 14, 256 GB of expandable capacity, up to 2 TB, and 8 GB of RAM. The 6.6-inch Full HD Plus display. WP35 is certified to IP68, IP69K, and MIL STD 810G. It can withstand a variety of environmental factors because it is waterproof and dust-resistant. Gorilla Glass 5 and a slightly protruding frame shield the front display. It will have 3 cameras on its back, arranged in a triangle configuration, a 64MP primary camera, an 8MP night vision camera, and a 2MP macro camera housed in a circular camera island. The power and volume keys will be located on the smartphone's right side frame, while a customizable red button will be on the left. The Oukitel WP35 is geared towards rugged phone users, outdoor enthusiasts, and business professionals. It will be available on AliExpress for a special starting price of approximately $300. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share. See you in the next video.